In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect a URL using Hostgator. Redirecting URLs can be incredibly useful for a variety of reasons, whether you're rebranding your website or simply directing traffic from one page to another. So let's dive in and go through the steps together. First, you'll need to go to the Hostgator website. Hostgator provides a great platform for website hosting, and it's a reliable service to manage your domains. Once you are on the home page, look towards the top right corner for the sign in button and go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page. After signing into your Hostgator account, make sure you are on the Hostgator homepage. From there, you'll want to locate and click on the website section. This is where all the magic happens. It might take a moment to load, especially if you have multiple sites, so be patient. Once you are in the website section, your next step is to click on Settings. This section houses all the configurations you can perform on your website, allowing you to tailor things exactly as you need. Now navigate to Advanced. Here is where you can make more specific changes and customize settings for deeper functionalities. In the Advanced section, we are looking for redirects. Go ahead and click on it. Redirects are essential because they help manage where your web traffic is sent and ensure your users end up on the right page even if a URL changes. This step will lead you to a page where you can manage current redirects and add new ones. Now that you're in the redirects management page, find and click on Manage. This will open up the interface where you can fine-tune existing redirects or prepare to create new ones. Finally, at the top of this section, there's an option named ADD Redirect. Clicking ADD Redirect will let you configure a new redirect. You'll enter the URL you wish to redirect from and the destination URL you want traffic to flow to. Be sure to double check these URLs to prevent any future access issues for your users. So that's it. You've successfully learned how to redirect a URL with Hostgator. Remember, redirecting is key to maintaining an efficient and user-friendly website, ensuring the continuity of your web presence regardless of any changes you make moving forward. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of our guides or reach out to Hostgator support for help. Until next time, happy hosting.